Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a home page on the application of NFL. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about the application of NFL and you can click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your